In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Notion. This simple technique can transform the look of your pages, making them more organized and visually appealing. Whether you're creating a mood board, comparing products, or just adding style to your notes, arranging images in columns is a quick and easy way to enhance your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up columns and place images neatly next to each other. To start, open the Notion page where you want your images to appear. Click on the spot where you want to create the side-by-side layout. Then type the slash command followed by the word columns. Notion will display a menu with different options, and you should select the two columns layout. Think of this as setting up two boxes next to each other. Anything you place in the left box will stay in the left column, and anything in the right box will remain in the right column. This foundational step ensures your images are neatly organized and aligned. With the two columns ready, click inside the left column to make your cursor active there. Type the slash command followed by image. Notion will prompt you to either upload an image from your computer or choose one from Unsplash, which is an excellent resource for high-quality pictures. You could upload a team photo, a product shot, or an inspiring landscape. If you choose Unsplash, you can search for keywords, such as mountains for a travel page or coffee for a cafe menu. Once selected, the image will appear neatly inside the left column. Next, move to the right column and repeat the process. Click inside the column, type /image, and select another image from your computer or Unsplash. Pairing images can help you compare items, show before and after shots, or simply create a balanced visual layout. Take your time choosing images that complement each other and enhance the overall aesthetic of your page. If you don't immediately see the Unsplash option, scroll or search within the menu. It's usually available further down. Once both images are placed, they will sit perfectly side by side, giving your Notion page a more dynamic and professional look. You can continue adding images or adjust the columns later to suit your needs. This method is flexible and works for a wide range of projects, from travel plans to photo galleries and study notes. And that's it. Arranging images side by side in Notion is straightforward, requiring just a few commands and a bit of creativity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.